Boy, I'm tired. Good morning, YouTube. What is up? It is day 3, the third and final day here at Universal's Epic Universe. Today is a massive day. Today we have Dark Universe. Today we have Memo. It's not Harry Potter. What? Harry Potter? No, it's Wizarding World. Today we got Wizarding World, and then after that we have the actual grand opening celebration. There's gonna be fireworks. There's gonna be food. There's gonna be drinks. A red carpet event. There's gonna be everything. And right now it is currently 6:33. Tyler and I are both running off of like no sleep.
I'm sleeping in the hotel. I'm not going.
He's sleeping in the hotel. He's not going. I'm tired. Like I've got my eyes. I can't see. But here we go. Day 3. It's gonna be awesome.
We're late.
For a very important date. Let's go. At least we got cloud coverage today. That's massive. That's a massive W. This is supposed to be hot. Another hot one. Let's go get this party started. How you feeling?
Fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Are you feeling epic?
Yeah.
Yep. Your fit check. Lord
I got
sorry.
a card for Tyler Maker if we need it.
Tyler Maker. It's your name. What's his name? What'd you just say?
Depending on what I see in here, there are some people struggling from yesterday.
Yeah, it's kind of empty right now. This time yesterday it was packed in here, and now it's kind of not. Got an actual breakfast this morning instead of Uncrustables. I am upset about it. I did want Uncrustables this morning. I was looking forward to it, and now they're gone. Definitely feels like significantly less people today. Like it almost feels like people went home. Like, and it's after 7 now, so people should be filling in, but maybe that means we'll get front row for Dark Universe opening, so. Can't tell on the camera, but these shots are really cool. Oh my God, I thought it was gonna be cool. Oh wait, now it's there. Before, you see this line, it was thick. It was like this thick going up the whole thing.
It'll come back to the watch. There it is.
See, there it is. Well, that didn't work as planned. We're headed over Dark Universe. We're gonna get there front line, baby. Ain't that like, what? Ain't that right, Tyler?
Yeah, you gotta get risky with it, man. Come on now.
We're just going, dude. We're gonna go get that front row. Best portal in the park. Time for all the spookies. We're here, baby.
It's fine if I'm short. Have it.
Hey.
Just keep remembering.
It depends.
Is it like
Welcome back, explorers. Another day of adventure and discovery awaits. I look forward to hearing the stories of your journeys thus far in this world and the worlds beyond the portals. You, explorers, follow in the footsteps of some of our most famous Celestians, like Vincent Various, who was born with an insatiable wanderlust and a deep curiosity for the inner workings of the worlds around him. He would say, the only way to discover new things is to stay curious. Or, Maya of the Skies, an intelligent and fiercely determined explorer, says that when we explore, the entire universe becomes our playground. Within this universe, though, there are also dark worlds. Worlds that require you to be brave and to face your own fears. Now it is time to enter a portal to another world. The village of Darkmoor awaits, and the monsters within it grow restless in anticipation. With sun and stars, the moon and time, the chrono spins and worlds align. For if you seek with curious heart, your compass true and stars to chart. Beyond this gate find catacombs deep, full of monsters and the secrets they keep.
doctor will be here in just a moment. And you three, don't touch anything or anyone.
Victoria Frankenstein.
Friends, welcome. There are so many Igor. Excellent work. I am Dr. Victoria Frankenstein. Today, you chosen few will witness my greatest discovery yet, and together we will finish what my great-great-grandfather started. Did you know? They called Henry a monster. They were afraid of what he had done. But you will see there is nothing to fear. Now, these people are friends. Yes, friends! See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing, better than the original. They all are. For years I have studied and controlled the monsters that held the darkness. Now, only one remains. I invite you all to the manor to bear witness to my ultimate challenge. The last piece of the puzzle. Your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Our greatest victory is moments away. Bring these people to the catacombs, Igor. I must prepare.
Yes, doctor. Go on, get out of here. Come on, what are you waiting for? Follow me. You delightful freaks. Come on, Flat Top, keep moving.
That was sick! All right, so this is absolutely hilarious. We're sitting here uploading content to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all that fun stuff. And I just looked outside and noticed this. Look at this, come here. Everyone is hiding in the shade. Literally everyone is staying out of the sun. And they are hiding in the shade. To be fair, it's hot, it's bright. I don't blame them. I'm hiding inside. Because it's that crazy out there right now. Let's go ride, probably the best ride. Oh my God, Tyler's running off scaring people. Let's go ride what is probably the best ride here. It's bright as shit. What is this? Frankenstein's Castle. What is this ride called? God, I'm terrible. I didn't read the menu.
I don't think there's a menu for this park, but there is a memo and a map.
What's this one called?
And an app.
What is this called? Frankenstein?
Monsters Unchained.
Monsters Unchained. There it is.
Frankenstein's Manor.
I was testing him.
That's why I'm here. That's
probably the best
solely
ride.
why I'm here.
Solely. That's the only reason you were barely invited. Can't wait to ride this ride because this place is sick. Look at this.
Favorite. You want to see my favorite manor employee? Come on up here.
Favorite manor employee, how are you doing?
Happy opening day. Kinda.
Oh. Well, I just bought some stuff. Got limited edition vinyls here with all the monsters on it, and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I bought two, I'm gonna be giving one away, so be paying attention to my social medias for that. I'll be posting all over. There will be a giveaway, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. Kinda cool, you're welcome. I know, so thoughtful. All right, Tyler, what'd you just do?
I bought $400 worth of albums.
How many is that?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Giveaway time.
Yeah. And one's for me, right? You got me one?
Yeah. Unfriendly Hero if you want an album.
We're gonna bleep that out.
Almost 8,000.
This is probably the coolest thing. That this is in a theme park. I'm walking backwards, I don't know where I'm going, but this is in a theme park. And it's massive and it looks incredible. And it's a ride. It's a ride. Let's go inside. If you were wondering, the AC in here works beautifully. Am I going the right way? Am I going the right way? Is this the right way? Because I don't know. I'm just walking backwards.
Yeah, Oh,
We shouldn't?
no, we should probably.
Why?
You
Why?
didn't see what it just said on the wall?
What's here on the wall? There's nothing there on the wall. What do you mean? There's nothing. I just look. It doesn't say anything.
It definitely says something behind you.
You're just scared. Let's go. If I could have a fireplace look like that, yes, please. Or a room. How much do you think the lights? What?
Are we gonna get a fireplace like that in our new place?
100%. We're about to live together. Content for days. You know what I'm saying?
For days?
OnlyFans. What's up?
No, I'm out.
Oh, I can do your OnlyFans. What? What? Ooh. We fixed it. Look at this staircase. What? Sheesh.
So I'm gonna need her to.
Your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Open the doors. Our greatest victory.
It's honestly my favorite right here.
What?
That one. Even like you know, I just love it.
I love it.
You know, you
It's
love it?
great. It's.
Look
Bye,
at that.
Disney.
Yeah, by Disney. Wait, I thought we were at Disney. This isn't Disney? Well, what am I doing here? What?
Memo.
Memo? Oh, memo. You're right, memo.
That was in bold letters on the memo.
No, it wasn't. I read bold. It was not there. All right, let's play Guess What's in This Line. Free water.
Nuts and the Frankenstein.
Frankenstein puzzle? Oh,
Yeah, we should
free
get
or pay
that.
for?
Free.
Free? Perfect.
See the line? You know it's free.
Then the burning blade. Oh. And we got some pretzel bites. I'm good. Pretzel bites here, boys. Let's go. All right, let's try these cinnamon delights. Mmm. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Delicious explosion in my mouth. Yeah, you did. I said delicious too. The cinnamon. Oh, well, yeah. That was good.
Are they good?
Yeah. My goodness, that was delicious.
Here, I'll give you first honors. Oh shit.
There, well, there goes your monster. Oh, here we go, number 2 going on.
When I say I'm gonna give you first honors,
I don't know what that meant. Then you dropped
First
your
one.
monster, dude. I don't know what that means.
it's just resting.
Mm.
First honors is you taking a
let
bite.
me wash it down. There we go. Within my mouth. Here we go. Oh, that's good. I got pretzel on one side and thing on the other. It's good. Hey, can you be quiet? I'm trying to film. Appreciate it. That's delicious. Trying to film content and getting yelled at. Can you believe this? That's good. What do you think? You want to try the cinnamon bun?
Oh no.
You want to put a ball in your mouth? Open wide. I can. Chug it.
Damn. I sucked in sugar.
Cream's falling everywhere. Choo choo. Chugga. Woo.
Oh,
Demonetized.
those are good.
Good though, right?
Oh man.
Pretty solid. Pretty solid. I can't wait to go in here and get a free drink. I just finished my Monster Down. It just gave me this. So we're double fisting caffeine today, boys. And we're going into our this blade thing. Oh, look who it is!
Hello.
It's the Pew. Oh, your voice.
I've lost my voice.
What happened to you?
I don't know. Running around screaming for
Oh.
monsters.
Oh my goodness. Let's go.
One get it versus like being alcoholic, right? Go for it.
Monster. I just got like a little half cup.
That's good.
It is.
I know. I waved to him. This is good. It's our tour guide. Wait for it. What was his name? Maui. Our awesome tour guide. This is delicious.
I got a half cup. It's really sweet.
Yeah,
Really sweet.
I don't think there's any alcohol in it.
No, it's
It's a mocktail.
yeah, mocktail.
Yeah. It's pretty good though. Pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can spike it.
You see it on mine? Look at it bubbling
Yeah.
at the bottom.
Well, the glitter too though. What are we drinking?
I don't know. My poop's gonna look fantastic though.
Yeah, it is. I can't wait to see it. All right, so after consuming a very unhealthy amount of sugar, let's go ride a ride.
Sugar and carbs.
Sugar and carbs, that's the best combination. Let's go ride a ride that's probably gonna make us want to throw up. Let's do this. And the ride we're talking about is Werewolves Unchained? Werewolves Memo?
What?
What's the ride called?
Did you just call it Werewolf Unchained?
I said Werewolves Unchained.
Bro, I'm bringing the memo.
Bring
Next
it-
time. I'm bringing the memo.
Well, today's the last day, so I don't think you can.
Just call it Werewolf.
Werewolf, not the Motionless in White song, but the ride.
Hey, who's this right here? Is this the guy that's in Monsters Unchained right here?
being mean to all the citizens of Dartmoor.
Doesn't he die at the end of the ride?
Do I look dead to you? Don't answer that.
Oh, well, that just got answered.
They only tickle a little bit. No problem. What's up, big guy?
Beautiful.
No, you are.
No, you.
No, you.
No, you.
Hey, you're wearing that beard like a champ.
Hey, thank you.
I like it.
Would
Now,
you get a beard?
Are you
or-
two racing to grow the beard out fast?
I already won.
Yeah, I already
You
cut-
did.
already
I
won.
cut-
I know, you did.
I already won. Sorry, buddy.
I got
He
it.
beat me in a different game yesterday.
Oh yeah, what was that game?
You probably never heard of it.
What is it?
But it's you ever heard of Mario?
Mario.
Mario.
No.
Little
It's a-
car.
Like a race car.
He has a weird fascination with mushrooms.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, well, hey, this is a judge-free zone in Dartmoor. Igor does not partake himself, but whatever. It's all good. Okay, you are enjoying your time in Dartmoor?
Yes, sir.
You come in peace?
Yes.
Okay, well,
Yes.
you may leave in peace.
Yeah.
Ah, you got just a little bit ahead of Igor.
Just a little. All right, well, before we were rudely interrupted by that guy, what's this?
We weren't really. You asked a question, he answered you.
No, he looked at me sexually.
Memo.
Damn it. I mean, darn it. Shit. Ah, fuck. My bad.
Memo.
Memos.
memos.
Let's go ride werewolves. That ride is a ride.
Yeah.
I'm limping because I caught a hip cramp.
We spun a total of 1/2 a turn.
We're backwards the entire time. I asked for front row. We got front row, but then for the entire ride, we were
went
facing backwards. We were facing backwards. All right, so we are wrapped in Darkmoor in the dark universe. Now we're heading back out to Celestial, aka the desert. It is so hot out in the middle of the park these days, man.
Yeah.
We're heading out there. I think we got some lunch. We're gonna hang out and vibe. And then after that, we're going to the Wizarding World. Harry Potter.
There you go. You got it right. You read the memo.
I read the memo on that one, dude. We got that one locked in, dialed in today. Have a good one. Thank you. We gotta get a wand though. Apparently, there's something about a wand.
Yeah.
A wand? Would it be appropriate when I get this wand if I instantly just go? Oh, very good. Would that
I
be?
think you should.
You think I should? I am
If
doing
you
it.
don't do it, it's gonna be very disappointing.
All right, cool. I'm doing it. Let's go. Let's find these wands.